Making memories with every mile.
Welcome to Every Mile.
Every mile.
Hello and welcome to Every Mile. Today we are here in Omaha, Nebraska at the Henry Doorly Zoo. Checking it out. Let's see what we can find.
This is the perfect place to go explore and to see many kinds of animals. Go check out the Desert Dome, it's amazing.
Wow, what is that?
Welcome to Nebraska. Isn't it a beautiful day?
This dome is pretty incredible.
Does anyone have food or water or anything? I'm skinny. Far so good. We've seen many creatures. So far my favorite one was the owls.
There's 10 rattlesnakes. So we're at the zoo, and there's ducks and lots of animals. Stop calling it the zoo.
This is wild, man. Look at the size of this place. If the dark isn't scary enough, let's throw in gators and snakes.
Hope you guys have a good time.
Okay, this desert dome right here is serious and honest and truly the best exhibit I've ever seen at a zoo. We've gone through LA, San Diego, Living Desert. We've gone through all kinds of... This is the greatest. What's been your favorite animal that we've seen so far?
Mine has to be the brown owls. They're my favorite.
Dude, I thought that the bat exhibit in there was the craziest thing I've ever seen.
I know.
The problem was it stunk. It was really stinky in there.
Yeah.
Who are you people? Why are you looking at me?
What's your favorite part?
My favorite part is the jellyfish.
This thing is huge. It's like as big as my hand.
Oh, what a beautiful morning.
Hey, is that every mile? I love them.
All right, Grant, so are these African or Asian elephants?
They're African because if you look at their ears, they're sort of the shape of Africa. But Asian elephants have small ears and their ears are the shape of Asia.
All right, so we've gone through about half the zoo now. What's your favorite animal so far?
My favorite animal is still the owl.
Still the owl?
Yeah, the desert dome was amazing.
Beautiful. So when we came here to Nebraska, we were asking everybody some places to visit, and everybody's #1 suggestion was here at the zoo. And so far, it has not disappointed.
This bird looks nothing like its picture.
The zoo was fun. Super duper fun.
All right, official opinion. What did you guys think of the zoo?
It was amazing, right, Grant?
Yeah.
Okay, what was your favorite part about it?
My favorite was the monkeys. I really love the monkey part.
Okay, what was yours?
Mine is the giraffe part.
The giraffes?
Oh yeah, also the monkey.
All right, Jelly Bean, what was yours?
Jelly bean. Mine was the giraffe and the elephant. Don't talk.
Good choices.
I want to feed the giraffe, but we're going.
And that is our day at the Omaha Zoo. Thank you for coming with us on this adventure, and we will catch you next time.
Bye.